I recently got a cat litter mat. It works really well, and while I got that, I also got a new music stand for my piano because my other one broke and it wasn't very convenient for me to play at the time. But now I have a new one and I'm super excited to play some more.
Sakura kawaii, little joys that bloom right here, a flower in my heart forever near. Sakura kawaii, like love embracing endlessly, always staying close to me. I pause to gaze at the sky above, a pastel sunset painted with love. Though seasons change and time will flow, this moment here is all I'll ever know. Sakura kawaii, I'll protect you every day, even in my dreams you light the way. Sakura
Today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to choose your right pet. And this could be whatever pet works for you and how to take care of them properly. Today's fictional character is Maylin Lee from Turning Red, and she has got the ability to turn into a red panda. Dogs are very popular and really fun to have, but if you want to have a dog, please consider the breed that you want to get. Dog breeds are important according to your size and preference of grooming. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full video on dog breeds. Walking your dog is also very important, but be on guard that if they are too strong for you, make sure that you are able to have control on them. And of course, feeding your dog and picking the right dog food and amount that you need to feed them. Grooming depends on the breed that you get, so do your research. If you want a pet that's fun yet very easy to have, then cat is your best bet. Make sure to keep them brushed, especially if they have a lot of fur. If you are gone more than you prefer, then get another cat, a second one, to keep them company. As long as you keep your cat box clean daily, it shouldn't be much of an issue. In fact, it is really easy and simple. Fish don't require a lot of attention, but there's a lot to know. Feeding your fish and keeping the tank clean is very important. It's also good to consider what type of fish tank you want and as far as the size goes and what kind of fish you want to keep. Personally, I think the betta is the easiest to take care of because they don't require a filter or a pump. Just make sure not to overfeed them. Birds are a lot of fun to have, and if you have a lot of time to take care of them and train them, then this is the best pet for you. Personally, I think the bigger the bird is, the more fun they are to have. However, it is a lot cheaper to get a small bird such as the parakeets. If you want more one-on-one time, then just get one. There are all types of small animals to have, and they are perfect to have, especially if you have kids. Chinchillas are really cute and fun to have, but require a lot and are pretty expensive. However, if they are in your budget, then go for it. Believe it or not, rats make great pets, and they are actually very smart and very sweet. They will eat a lot of snacks, and they are fun to have. I recommend a pet rat, especially if you want to hold it. You can even give it baths. Guinea pigs are nice and gentle, and ferrets require a lot of patience. If you want to try something different, then get a hermit crab. Believe it or not, there's a lot to do with hermit crabs. Reptiles are a great choice of pet, but only if you have the time. Remember to get the perfect lamp and tank for them. Snakes are personally my favorite reptile. that was my special video on tips on choosing your right pet, and now I'm gonna be playing the piano.